Welcome. In front of me is an Oukitel K13 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup of this phone. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with this screen right over here, where you get to choose your desired language. Now I'll be sticking with the one that is selected by default, which is English, but you can tap on the drop down and find yours if it's different. Anyway, from here, select Start, which will take us to the next page, which is just inserting a SIM card. Now this step is optional. The reason why it's showing up here is strictly for an option. So you can connect to mobile network through SIM card, or you can connect to Wi-Fi, which later on will give you the option to sign into your Google account if you want to. Now you can skip both of them if you want to, and the only difference will be throughout the setup process you will not have your Google login page showing up, and also date and time will not be set automatically, which you'll see because I'll be skipping both of them. So as you can see, there is the date and time because it's not set automatically, and you can fix it up if you want to. I'm just gonna disregard it. Later on I'll probably connect to Wi-Fi, so it will then be set automatically anyway. But on the next page we have some Google services, so we have things like location, scanning, and then sending user and diagnostic data. So you can read exactly what these do, and if you don't like them you can turn them off by just switching it off. From there, select more, which will scroll all the way down, and select accept. This will then bring us to the protection of our phone. So here it tells us that we can set up a fingerprint. So if you tap on next, it will give you three different options: PIN, pattern, password, and all with a fingerprint. But you can skip this if you don't want to, and this will then only give you the PIN, pattern, or password option. And if you don't want to set up anything, you can just skip this by selecting not now and skip anyway. And as you can see, this finishes up the setup of your phone. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.